So, what have you learned in the last 30 days about yourself? Actually, quite a lot. Hi, it's Sarah Kawoko. If this is your first time to my page, I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe before leaving. And I've been involved in a video marketing course for the last little over, well, probably about 5, 6 weeks now. And part of that was a 30-day blitz where once we had determined our niche, we were given an assignment each day of a different type of video that we had to make, edit, and then distribute to various channels. So the assignment might be like this one. Um, Make a 3 to 5 minute video talking about 2 to 3 things you learned about yourself during this process. Post it to your YouTube channel and drop the link in our group over on Facebook. So it's stuff very specific what he wanted us to do, and everything was around our niche. So some of the things I learned about myself, I say "and" when I'm thinking, as in, and I do that a lot. And that's not a slam against myself. That's a good thing to know because I wasn't aware of it. So I'm paying attention to that. I've learned that I still have some perfectionistic tendencies, even though I have worked very hard to get beyond them, but there's still some there. And it did slow me down. I paid the price. That's what perfectionism does to us. It gets us stuck up here, so we're not getting anywhere out here. I was stuck for a few days, and it took me almost a week to get caught up, but I did. So that was a kind of an eye opener. I learned that I enjoy short form video and the longer presentation videos way more than these middle of the road ones. These ones are tough for me. I have a hard time making my point and staying within the time frame because I like to talk, apparently. Some of the things I learned about myself was through other people, through feedback, and it was really helpful because if we're doing videos, we're trying to share information, we're trying to educate, we're trying to um, help people understand something. And if they don't enjoy watching you on video, they're not going to stick around. So your point's never going to get across. Well, some of the feedback I got that I truly appreciate so much from some of my fellow um, students was that I'm a natural on camera, that I am smooth, that I come across as knowledgeable, and I forgot the last one. Not so smooth, huh? And that they enjoy watching me. And the other one was they enjoy my voice. They like the sound of my voice. Now, obviously, I am not going to appeal to everyone, but getting that feedback was really helpful for me because I know how important those factors are when you're trying to convey information to people through video. I want them to stick around, so it's nice to know that people, at least some part of the population, enjoys watching my videos. So, anyway, as I said, this is Sarah Kawoko. If you would like any information about the video training that I have taken, I would be happy to share that with you. Just drop me a message that says video. If you have not done so yet, please like, comment, and subscribe if you're here on my YouTube channel. And if you would like any of the information about my niche, which is women's health, specifically the services and products that I promote, I will have information down in my description. And you can always also leave me a comment, women's health or health info, or however you want to word that. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me. I look forward to seeing you again.